Hey guys, I'm Donna Krieger. I'm going to explain to you our wide variety of weight loss products that we have to offer here at Q Science. There are plenty to go through, so I'm going to get right to it. I don't want to waste any of your time, but I'm going to start with the Q Trim. Q Trim is one of my favorites. What this does, it has 5 main things that it does. It burns fat. It curbs appetite, it blocks carbs, it converts your fat into energy, it balances your blood sugar to promote lean mass. It also contains green tea extract, white kidney bean extract, and it has Garcinia cambogia, which helps curb the appetite. This is amazing. I can't even tell you, it takes a lot of the cravings away and stops you from that mindless eating throughout the day. I know my husband started taking this, and he lost 6.5 pounds. He's like, I didn't change anything. All I did was start taking Q Trim. So that is the first one. The second thing I was going to talk about, and I just realized that we ran out of it because my husband is addicted to this one too, but it's one of our sublingual sprays, and it's Boost Spray. And Boost Spray kind of does the same thing as the Q Trim, but it's a sublingual spray. But it provides the nutrients to help your body balance your metabolic system. It suppresses your appetite just like the Q Trim. It increases your metabolism and helps recover after exercise. So throughout the day, if you're starting to feel sluggish, or if you're starting to craving those Little Debbies or anything like that, you know, just a couple 8 sprays of the Boost Spray will help get you over that hump. The next one I want to talk about is part of our Q Twist, which is our broad spectrum CBD water enhancers. And the Q Twist ones that I like that deal with weight loss is the Crave. And they come in the berry smoothie, which is this blue one, and then we just came out with this new one. It's raspberry lime, and let me tell you, this is one of my favorite things. I put this in my big bottle of water throughout the day, and I sip it. Same thing, you know, it's like a triple whammy, because if I'm taking the Trim, I need the Boost Spray, I have the Crave. I'm taking away all those cravings throughout the day. But this, you know, has the 10 milligrams of CBD per stick. You can just, you know, rip it open, throw it into your water bottle, and sip it throughout the day. And that is the Crave. There is one other thing, you know, if you are working out and losing weight, there is another Q Twist, which is Hydrate, and I love this. It's great flavored, you know, just to keep you hydrated. If you are trying to lose weight and you're working out all the time, this is a great supplement as well. The next one I want to talk about is the greens. This just came out, and it is amazing. It comes in these little individual packets too. I just add some water to my shaker bottle, add some greens. I'm going to show you some combos that I do too. But what is in the greens? So let me read the back to you. Well, it helps to detoxify and cleanse the body. It promotes healthy energy. It improves digestion, which is all part of weight loss. It fills in those nutritional gaps. As you know, we probably do not get the proper amount of vegetables in every day. I know my son's only vegetable is ketchup. So knowing that I can give him something like this that's going to give him the greens that he's needed and allotted in one day, this is very helpful. What else does it do? It is high in micronutrients. It also alkalizes the body, and you know how important that is when you're trying to lose weight. And this also contains sulforaphane, and I'm not sure if you know much about it, but it's the broccoli sprouts, but this is the most powerful antioxidant. There is so much power in this one little stick. It's amazing. But one of the things I do with it is I add it to other things. I can get really lazy sometimes about washing dishes. And so, you know, I combine things, and I'm going to show you when I get into the meal replacement shakes. I put them together because I don't want to be making 27 different drinks a day. I want to only have a couple drinks a day, and I found some really great combos. Okay, the next thing that we have is are meal replacement shakes. They come in bags like this, and they have individual servings. Here is the chocolate, and here's the vanilla one. Okay, each one of these is 170 calories. It also is packed full of 20 grams of protein. You know you need more protein in a day-to-day basis. What it does is same thing with all the other weight loss products. They, let me read to be compliant, controls your hunger and cravings for hours. It also has the mood-boosting B vitamins that's also in our Q Core, which is great because, you know, we love those B vitamins. It fights insulin resistance as well. It targets your abdominal fat. It prevents starch absorption. It also contains pre and probiotics, which helps with your digestion. And it also has the digestive enzymes in it too. So there is so much packed into these. They also contain all 9 amino acids. And, you know, just having all those micronutrients helps keep you energized throughout the day. So I love the vanilla and the chocolate. I'm not a chocolate person, but I just started doing the chocolate. I find I mix more with the vanilla, but I love both of these. And actually what I do, they're really filling. Some people add them to almond milk, coconut water. I just add them to plain old water with some ice and then add whatever other packets I want to it. However, oh, that one's upside down. I also have split it up and used one, you know, half of it for breakfast, half of it for lunch, and then split it with my other drinks throughout the day. There's so many things you can do with it. Some people add a scoop to their oatmeal. Some people make, what is it called? Oh, the little protein balls. There's a couple recipes in the MyQFit group where they've made the mug cakes out of it, or like a chocolate mousse. There's so many things that you can actually do with these shakes. We also do have the Ultra Lean. Now this is the only product that Q Science has that is not vegan. It is a whey protein, and they came out with this because a lot of people were requesting it, and that's one thing that's great about Q Science is they do take our opinions into hand, and they do listen to us. When we want something, they get it. Another one that we have is Q Complete. This was a promo. It was peaches and cream, and it came out on Mother's Day, and I stocked up on this. This is super duper good too. So one of the things I do with the shakes is I either put them in my blender, add fruit, add ice, maybe spinach. You can do that PB Fit, you know, and make smoothies into them. They're easy enough to put in your shaker bottle. And like I was saying before, I do combinations. You know, I do vanilla and I might put the Crave with it. Or I can put the greens with the vanilla. Or I can put the greens with the chocolate. That is super good too. Greens take on, it's an apple cinnamon flavor, but it takes on whatever you mix it with. And it's super yummy. You know, you can even mix the greens with the Crave. You can mix the, I mix Armour with the vanilla. It's like a chai tea latte. It's super yummy. The Armour is not a weight loss supplement, but it's an adaptogenic mushroom blend, which is great for immune support. I mix it in all the shakes because, like I said, I try to condense the amount of drinks I'm making. So I do add this. So I do the chocolate shake with greens. I also mix, somebody else is talking about the sport drinks, but I mix the sport drinks in with the shakes. I mix a little bit of everything with anything, and I have found many different combos that there are. So what I'm going to do is post in the comments. I'll post some combos that I put together, and I'll also post some of the recipes from the MyQFit group showing all the different things you can do for it. But I love every single one of these products. I know it was a lot of information. I am hoping that you find something that is something that you are looking for in your weight loss journey too. All right, enjoy the party.